Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, out 20 nautical miles.
So now I get a
9:30
perfect
p.m.
activation?
Eastern Daylight Time, or
Sick.
8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
Wait.
or 5:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Yeah, I
a
don't...
strong thunderstorm was located over Apalachicola, moving
Perfect
southeast
activation. I'm a pro.
Other strong thunderstorms are expected to develop over land and push southward across the coastal waters through 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
The frick?
Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include O Tower, Apalachicola, Sea Tower, Cape San Blas, St. George Island, and Port St. Joe. Move to
I
safe
didn't even
harbor
get a
until
chance to
hazardous
turn this
weather
on.
passes. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Beach to Ocklawaha River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located.
Baba Booey.